Unfortunately, despite the netting, the butterflies managed to get in. And destroy boy, this was gonna be the last of my cauliflower sneaking in. Caterpillars certainly discovered it. See, it was actually making a cauliflower, but it's got holes in it all over the place. There's what the butterflies and the cabbage loopers will do. They will just destroy you. So as I was saying, I was really amazed that those cabbages were intact, because butterflies have been around. So that pretty much finishes those off. I do have one more batch of cabbages, but I've just picked 4, so that's probably all I could do for a while. Beginning of the second week in June, and this is when you're harvesting the last of the stuff that the bugs haven't eaten, but you get a lot of this stuff. And you know, the bugs have demolished it. It's full of little cabbage loopers. Wow, look at all the fresh eggs. Where are we there? There we are, right there. You can see all the fresh eggs there, there. Fresh eggs right there. Boy, they were really happy with these cauliflower here. So what you end up with is, you know, you don't want to put this in your compost pile. You got all these eggs and cabbage loopers that are going to be hatching and already alive, and they're just going to be eating this stuff in your compost, turning into butterflies, which will create more cabbage loopers. So what I'm going to try this year, I'm going to try putting all this stuff in a bag, and I'm not going to throw it away like so many people tell you to do. I'm going to lay this out in the sun. We'll be in the 90s probably. It'll be 100 degrees if I get this going good in the sun. And I'll bet we can cook these loopers to where they won't bother anybody. Then I can put them in the compost, because I hate to let all this good material get away from me because of a few bugs. And if that works, it means it'll bake the weed seeds out of here. Poor little guy was trying to make a cauliflower. Just ran out of the temperature. And these cabbages down here were extremely late, and they're just not going to have time to head up between the heat and the bugs. So we're going to pile all this in here. Then we can get the weeds out of here. Put in a bunch of fresh compost. And it'll be ready to plant something. Probably tomatoes or peppers. So you may find this as be a good way to salvage a lot of stuff you've been either burning or putting out in the trash. Now I wouldn't do this with diseased vegetables, because I got no faith at all that the heat will kill the diseases. But I think we can bake this stuff in the in the sun, get it up to 100 degrees for a few days, and I'll bet those eggs and loopers will be dead. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Time to rotate out the spring stuff and start getting into summer stuff. Thank you for watching.